Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Calmify Liquid Anti-Stress. So as you can see, you have it pulled up here on Amazon. So if you don't know what this product is, it is basically a drink that helps you reduce your stress. So as you can see, you have the supplement facts here, and they also have the ingredients like ashwagandha, magnesium, therein, and vitamin D3. So as you can see, they also claim to relax and unwind naturally just from natural ingredients. You can also wake up feeling refreshed and a lot of that. Hormonal balance support and clean and transparent and pure. Now, as you can see, they also are rated 4.0 out of 5 stars here on Amazon with 19 ratings, which is actually pretty good. I'd say not very good, but decent. Now, before we read the reviews down below, I get hundreds of requests to check out products for you guys. And my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So the link is down below for you to check out so that you won't have to wait for me to upload another video to review a product. Now with that out of the way, let's read some reviews here. So as you can see right here, this is 5-star, functional, 1000%. So basically means he or she recommends it. So recommend 100%, maybe good but not the best taste. Well, we're not in it for the taste, so which is actually pretty good. Perfect for calming my nerves and boosting focus. So this person said 0. I don't know what's this supposed to mean. Don't waste your money. Maybe it didn't work for them. Unwind, calmify, smooth mood, no sugar crash. So the reviews are a bit of a hit or miss, since a lot of people are more people are also saying that it doesn't work. However, if you want to buy this product, I advise you to do some research before buying this product, since it may or may not work for you in the long run. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.